between CJ Perez and Coach Leo Ashraf-Samiel. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Leo, nahirapan kayo sa execution down the stretch dahil sa pressure defense ng Magnolia. But when it counted the most, your players had significant plays, yung stop, yung steal ni Jericho, 3 points ni Marshall, and that 3 points of CJ as well. If you could talk us through the things you told them just to make sure fight through yung defense na pinapakita ng Chance.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Lord, for this win. We're able to arrest our slide because in the last 3 or 4 games, we never beat our opponent in the ESL at PBA. And this is a good thing for us to win against Magnolia because they are our contender to get into the top 8. And this is a big big event for us, or else we will slide down to the bottom 4. So, and that's what we don't want to happen. But regarding the execution, I think, especially in the defense, we're able to adjust because they keep on attacking us, Junmar and man on ball on the pick and roll. And luckily, we're able to stop them. I think 3 or 4 attempts on the stretch, But I have to thank this player because of their talent on a broken play, and that's what I'm expecting from them. But at the start, we have a good game running our plays, but it was disrupted. But of course, the talent was there and appreciated, especially CJ. And I know that CJ he will not afraid to take those important shots, crucial shots, and that's what I like those players.
Thank you, Coach. Now, CJ, nabanggit mo how you're struggling this conference to get a consistency sa laro mo, lalo na offensively. Pero tulad ng sabi ni Coach, you're never shy or afraid to take those big shots. How do you keep yourself ready, confident, and that effort to be present dun sa mga big moments ng laro?
Yun nga, nag-struggle na ako this conference, pero nakikita ko naman, hindi naman nawawala yung trust nila coach sa akin. So it's just me na kung paano ko mag-respond dun sa trust na binibigyan nila coach. And yun, I'm just happy today na we got the win. And yung effort namin at doon, hindi kami nakapag-execute, pero yan, nag-compose lang kami sa offense namin and trust naman sa isa't isa.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Parang agad yun ang nado. How big of a relief was this week knowing na nandun pa rin kayo sa top 8 per meeting Magnolia?
Yeah, I think it will be a good moral booster para sa amin because we're really looking up for this game, and I told them this is the most crucial game for us because a loss will slide down up to the bottom 4, and then if you win, you will get into the top 8, and that's enough for us to have some more confidence going to our game on Saturday against Meralco. And it's really tough for us because we've been away for a while, 3 days. It's a long trip, and what is needed for us is the energy, because we exert a lot of effort doing some game abroad, and then I think this game is really will help us a lot in terms of confidence. In terms of confidence, sinasabi ko, player, especially Marcio, and that's what he is, a 3-point shooter, and that's crucial. A 3-point shot twice, and then one from CJ, the killer one. But overall, guys, especially the first half, at the third quarter, our shot never, we never hit the rim. Hindi kami makabasket, and very poor yung shooting percentage namin. Usually, nasa 40 to 50 kami, but tonight it's 33. It's a good thing we shoot a lot of in the stretch 3 points.
Kumusta yung si Jabari? Kasi katong Japan game, wala siya yung dalawa ngayon.
He's nursing some back spasm, and we don't want to aggravate his his condition dahil in Japan I don't know the weather there can help us because it's 0 degrees and then 17 sa Korea nag-lay over kami doon for 6 hours. So it might help for recovering and during his stay here when we were away so he did a lot of therapy. Yes.
Sige, na-mention mo na medyo struggling ka nga shooting-wise, parang hindi consistent. Isa pa game na wala kang rebound. So, ano bang tingin mo reason behind that? At ano ginagawa mo para ma-overcome mo yun?
I think rest now. Yung pahinga na talaga yung kailangan. And syempre, yung kumpiyansa andun pero it's on me kung saan ko hanapin yung tira ko. Syempre may isang game na wala rebounds just me na walang effort siguro. And ayun, nagaling naman ako sa ganitong sitwasyon ko. So just the way of finding out kung paano ko susuportahan yung sarili ko. And syempre sila coach, hindi naman nila ako pinapabayaan na bigay yung kumpiyansa, yung trust nila sa akin. So yun, I'm just grateful na nakapagdaro ko ng maayos nila.
And I think one thing na is very confident taking shot because yesterday after our practice he stayed for a while to take a lot of 3-point shot, and that's what happened today. I think 3 out of 4, it's not bad. I think and that's the reason why we won tonight.
Coach, yung ulit taste meron ko on Saturday, kasi i-ESL mo pala kayo, but yung stretch nyo, 2 eliminations, we got Northport, Converge, and TNT, so do you think with this kind of win, being social for you guys, maybe late surge?
Yeah, that's our main concern regarding our schedule. Imagine coming from a game in Japan, and then today, and then we have another game on Wednesday, and game on Saturday, and then Tuesday, and that's what happened in the person. The first set of schedule, sunod-sunod, imagine, but it's not an excuse to have that kind of schedule, but we have to plan it and we have to program ourselves because effort, energy is necessary in this kind of game because a lot of teams now are stepping up and if you notice on the standing, those teams are usually in the bottom 6 now on top 6 na. But that's why our next schedule is really tough. Those teams on top of the standing. So it is Meralco, Northport, and Converge, and then Talk and Text. They're really playing well. But as I said, this game give us a lot of moral booster, and they give us a chance to make it to the. Although it's malayo pa rin but it could help a lot.
Coach, a follow-up question lang on Jabari kasi before this game, di pa kayo nananalo with him, tapos nagka-injury siya. Your comment on how, the effort he put in na maka-recover and maka-bounce back, especially sa pinakita niya ngayon sa laro.
Yeah, his game is not really just an average, but we're expecting him to step up. We understand his situation right now because what is our concern is his health. His health, and he's really adjusting to the kind of game we have, especially the brand of Filipino basketball. It's really physical, but that's the way it is. And we're expecting him to figure it out, what's really going on, because we need him in the game, because the importance is always somebody na the players looking up. He could inspire the team. So we're expecting him next game to step up.
With that, we wrap up our post-game press conference. Congratulations, gentlemen. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.